to another video. My name's Joe, and in this video I'm going to do an unboxing and setup as well as a brief overview of the new iPhone 13 Pro. So let's get started. The iPhone 13 Pro starts at $999 and the iPhone 13 Pro Max starts at $1,099. Both iPhones come in 4 colors: Sierra Blue, Silver, Gold, and Graphite. The iPhone 13 and 13 Pro comes in 4 storage configurations: 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, and 1 terabyte. This particular model I have here is 256 gigabytes in Sierra Blue. So let's start opening the box. So here we have the iPhone 13 Pro. And as you see here, Apple no longer wraps their iPhones in plastic. Instead, they have these 2 tabs here. So let's pull these tabs and open up the box here. And it should come up just like that. So here we are greeted with the 13 Pro. So let's set that aside. And you'll notice here we have the packet of information. So the SIM ejector tool, warranty information, and an Apple sticker. And we have, of course, our USB-C to Lightning cable. And so here we have the 13 Pro here, so we're going to peel off the plastic part, set that aside. So now let's power up the iPhone 13. So let's hold it in, and there's the Apple logo. And here we are greeted with the hello screen. And I love this new hello screen in iOS 15. I think it's really neat. So we're going to swipe up to start the installation. And we're going to go to English, United States. And then we are going to bring the 12 Pro in. And we're going to click Continue. And we are going to go ahead and scan the thing for the 13 Pro. And here we have that. And then I'm going to enter the passcode in for my old iPhone. And you'll notice here it's setting up the new one. And it may take a few minutes. So we are going to confirm my phone number. And we're going to enter the last 4 digits here. And here we have activating the iPhone.
And you'll notice both of them are loading.
And then we're going to go and do Face ID here. So we're going to click Continue and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So you'll notice here now it says Continue. And now we're just waiting here. So now you'll see here transferring your data. So we're going to download from iCloud.
And now it's loading.
And we're going to click Agree. And we're going to set the 12 Pro here aside. This screen basically tells you what is on my previous iPhone, so it just gives you a summary here. So it'll say apps and data, settings, and connections. So this will all be transferred over to the new iPhone, and you can also click customize settings. So we're going to just click continue and leave that at default, and we're going to click agree. We are going to continue. Now we're going to set up Apple Pay. So we're going to click next once you do that. And now it says contacting the card adding the card, and it's setting up Apple Pay. And so now we're going to click agree. So now you'll notice here this says using Apple Pay. We're going to click continue. And then you'll notice here it is waiting for the iCloud backups. Okay guys, the iPhone 13 Pro is finished with restoring the data, so now it is back on the lock screen. So we are gonna, let me enter in my passcode and I will come back as soon as I do. Okay guys, so next if we go into our camera, you'll notice that they have what we call photographic styles. And this will allow you to personalize the look of your photos by bringing your preference in the capture. So basically, photographic styles use advanced scene understanding to apply the right amount of adjustments to different parts of the photo. So we're going to click choose style, and we have the standard, which is just the regular standard look and no filters are applied. If we go here to rich contrast, you'll notice that the tone's -50, but this will allow for darker shadows, richer colors, and stronger contrasts that makes the photo have a more dramatic look. And a vibrant, this has a +50 tone, and this will bring in bright and vivid colors, and it'll give you a more natural look. And then we have the warm style, which gives a warm look to the photo, brings in warm colors, etc. And then cool style, of course, brings in the cool look, brings in cool colors to make the photos more of a cool look. So I think for me, I think I'm going to go with the vibrant style because I think that's pretty cool. You can tell that my camera on the tripod is more clear, and you can see all the stuff in the back there is more blurred out, which is, I think, pretty neat. And some people may be wondering, does the 12 Pro case fit with the 13 Pro case, or even the 12 case and the 13 case? No, unfortunately not. So I actually have my life-proof iPhone 12 case here, and if I put this on here, or at least I try to, you'll notice that the buttons do not line up correctly, and you'll notice that the camera bump is bigger than the 12 Pro camera lens is. Okay, so I want to do a quick comparison of the iPhone 12 Pro and 13 Pro. You'll notice that the notch is actually smaller and not as noticeable on the 13 Pro. So that's one nice thing. If we compare the thickness, it's about the same thickness. And if we flip it over, you'll notice that the 13 Pro and 12 Pro camera are very different in thickness. So you'll notice that the 12 Pro camera is thinner and the 13 Pro is thicker. So and you'll also notice the Sierra Blue on the right and the Pacific Blue on the left. Pacific Blue is darker than the Sierra Blue. So for the Sierra Blue, I would say it looks more like the Sierra Blue looks more like a grayish, silverish blue. Pacific Blue is more darker. So let's go and compare the version of iOS 15. So if we go to settings and then general and then about, you'll notice it does run iOS 15.0. Do a wallpaper, you'll notice that the wallpaper, we have some different ones here. So the stills are pretty much the same as iOS 15. The live wallpaper, you'll notice they have different ones. So if we choose this one, you'll notice that the animation in that, so that. Let me know down in the comments below what iPhone you're thinking of upgrading to. I hope you like this video. Thumbs up. Make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll get notified when I post a video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.